Hey everyone, welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Linda. Today we're exploring 50 essential English phrases that you'll use every single day.
Whether you're chatting with friends, ordering food, or just going about your day, these phrases will make you sound natural and confident.
So get comfortable, relax, and let's dive in.
Let's start with the classic. How's it going? This is a casual way to ask someone how they are.
You'd use it with friends, coworkers, or anyone you're comfortable with. It's less formal than how are you?
So if you see a friend, you might say, "Hey, how's it going?"
And you can respond with pretty good or not bad, thanks.
Let's try it. Linda, how's it going?
It's going great, Alex. Ready to teach some phrases. Next up is what's up? This is super casual and very common.
It's basically asking, "What's happening?" or "How are you?" but in a relaxed way.
You might say, hey, what's up, when you see someone you know.
And common responses are, "Not much," or "Nothing much. You?"
What's up, Alex?
"Not much, just excited about this episode." When you haven't seen someone in a while, you can say, "Long time no see."
It's a friendly way to say, it's been a long time since we last met.
For example, if you run into an old friend at the mall, you could say, "Oh wow, long time no see."
They might respond with, I know, how have you been?
"Linda, I feel like I just saw you 5 minutes ago."
Well, if we hadn't, I'd say, long time no see, Alex.
This simple phrase means you're doing well or you're okay.
When someone asks, how are you doing? You can simply say, I'm good, thanks.
You can also use it to decline something politely. Like if someone offers you more food, you can say, "I'm good, thanks."
It's short, simple, and very useful. How are you feeling today, Alex?
"I'm good, ready to keep going." Take care is a warm way to say goodbye to someone.
It shows you care about their well-being. You might say it when leaving a friend or ending a phone call.
"All right, I've got to go. Take care."
You too. Talk soon.
It's simple, but really nice to use.
No worries is a casual way to say, it's okay, or don't worry about it.
If someone apologizes to you, you can respond with, "No worries."
For example, sorry I'm late. No worries, I just got here too.
It's friendly and puts people at ease.
Alex, sorry I ate your sandwich earlier.
"Wait, you did? Well, no worries, I guess." "I'm just chillin' means you're relaxing and taking it easy.
If someone asks, what are you doing? You could say, I'm just chilling at home.
It means you're not doing anything stressful or busy, just enjoying some downtime.
What are your plans tonight? Nothing much, just chillin'.
Sounds perfect to me.
Grab a bite means to get something quick to eat.
Not a big meal, just something small. You might say, "Want to grab a bite before the movie?"
Or, I'm gonna grab a bite at that cafe.
It's casual and super common. "Linda, want to grab a bite after we finish recording?"
Sure, I'm starving.
Sounds good when you agree with a plan or suggestion.
It's a positive, easy way to show you're on board with something.
"Let's meet at 3 p.m.
Sounds good.
Or, "Should we try that new restaurant?"
Sounds good to me.
Simple and friendly.
This phrase is a casual way to say you're interested in doing something or you agree.
If someone suggests watching a movie, you could say, "Yeah, I'm down."
It means you're willing and ready to participate.
"Want to go hiking this weekend?" "I'm down."
Are you down for teaching 40 more phrases, Alex?
"Absolutely, I'm down." "Hold on" means wait a moment.
You use it when you need someone to pause for a second.
Like if you're on the phone, "Hold on, let me check my calendar."
Or, hold on, I'll be right there.
"Hold on, Linda, I need to grab some water."
No problem. Take your time.
Never mind use when something isn't important anymore or you want to drop a topic. If you start to ask a question but realize it doesn't matter, you can say, "Never mind."
Or, what did you say? Oh, never mind, it wasn't important.
Or if someone doesn't understand you after explaining twice, you know what? Never mind.
It's a polite way to move on.
"My bad" is a casual way to say, "My mistake," or "I'm sorry."
If you bump into someone or make a small error, you can say, oh, my bad.
"You gave me the wrong address." "Oh, my bad. Here's the right one."
It's informal but very common, especially among younger people.
I almost forgot about this phrase. "My bad."
For sure means definitely or yes, absolutely.
When you strongly agree with something, you can say, "For sure."
Are you coming to the party? For sure. Or that movie was great. For sure, I loved it.
"Alex, are these phrases useful?" "For sure."
You bet is another way to say yes or definitely.
It's enthusiastic and friendly.
Thanks for helping me. You bet, anytime.
Or, "Can I count on you?" "You bet." It shows confidence and willingness.
Hang out means to spend casual time with someone.
No specific plans, just relaxing together.
Wanna hang out this weekend? Sure, let's hang out at the park.
You can hang out at home, at a cafe, anywhere really.
What do you usually do when you hang out with friends, Alex?
We usually just grab coffee and talk. Simple and fun. This means you're very tired or exhausted.
After a long day, you might say, I'm beat. I need to rest.
Or, that workout was intense. I'm beat.
It's more expressive than just saying, I'm tired.
How are you feeling after all these phrases, Linda?
Honestly, I'm a little beat, but let's keep going. This phrase has two meanings. First, it can mean relax or don't stress.
Like if someone's worried, hey, take it easy. Everything will be fine.
The second meaning is as a casual goodbye.
All right, I'm heading out. Take it easy.
You too. It's friendly and laid back.
Use this when you want to add something extra to the conversation.
It introduces a new topic or related information.
I'm going to the store. By the way, do you need anything?
Or, that was a great movie. By the way, have you seen the sequel?
By the way, we're already at phrase 19.
Time flies when you're having fun. I mean is used to clarify or emphasize what you're saying.
It helps you explain your point better.
The food was okay. I mean, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't amazing either.
Or, I'm tired. I mean, really tired.
It's very natural in everyday conversation.
This phrase is a filler that people use all the time in casual speech.
It doesn't always have a specific meaning, it's just conversational.
I was thinking, maybe we could try something different.
Or, it's been a long week,
This phrase is everywhere in English.
I know, right? Use this when you're somewhat uncertain or giving a tentative opinion.
Are you going to the meeting? I guess so.
Or, is this the right way? I guess, let's try it.
It shows you're not 100% sure, but leaning toward yes.
Do you think learners will like these phrases?
I guess they will. I hope so.
These phrases mean somewhat or a little bit. They soften your statement.
Are you hungry? Kind of. Did you like the book? Sort of.
You can also say kinda or sorta in casual speech.
I'm kind of excited to finish this list.
Me too. Sort of tired, but excited. This simply means very much or many.
I like pizza a lot. There were a lot of people at the concert.
It's basic but extremely useful.
You'll hear a lot, a lot.
Ha! See what you did there?
This means enthusiastically to say thank you very much.
It's more casual and friendly than just thanks.
Here's your coffee.
Thanks a bunch. Or, you really helped me out. Thanks a bunch.
Linda, thanks a bunch for co-hosting with me today.
Aw, thanks a bunch right back at you. This means something isn't important or serious.
If someone apologizes for something small, you can say, it's no big deal. Don't worry about it.
Sorry I'm a few minutes late. No big deal. Don't worry about it.
Or, I made a mistake. It's no big deal. We can fix it.
It helps people relax and not stress over small things.
Use this to express sympathy when something unfortunate happens.
I missed the bus. Oh, that's too bad.
Or, my plant died. Oh, that's too bad.
It shows you care without being overly dramatic.
I heard it might rain this weekend.
Oh, that's too bad. I wanted to go hiking.
Show you're happy for someone's success or good news.
I got a promotion. Good for you. Congratulations.
Or, I finally finished that project. Good for you.
It's encouraging and positive. Alex learned 100 new words this week.
Did I? Well, good for me. This means you're interested in something or you like it.
Have you tried yoga? Yeah, I'm really into it. Or, are you into jazz music? Not really, but I'm into rock. What kind of movies are you into, Alex?
I'm into sci-fi and action films. You?
I'm into comedies. This is a polite way to say you don't like something.
Do you like horror movies? Not really. I'm not a fan.
It's softer than saying I hate it.
How about spicy food? I'm not a fan. Too hot for me.
Alex, what about country music?
Honestly, I'm not a fan, but I respect it.
Use this when you accept someone's point, even if you don't fully agree.
I don't want to go out tonight. I'm tired.
Fair enough. It shows understanding and acceptance.
I prefer tea over coffee.
Fair enough. Everyone has their preference.
Alex, I think pizza is better than burgers.
Fair enough, but I still love burgers. Say this when you're giving something to someone.
Can I have a pen? Sure, here you go.
Or at a store. That'll be $5. Here you go.
It's simple and polite.
Alex, here you go. A glass of water.
Thanks.
This has a few meanings. You can use it when helping someone understand something. Oh, I get it now. There you go. Or when something works. The computer finally started. There you go. You can also use it when giving something, similar to here you go. It's very versatile.
Come on can encourage someone or show disbelief.
To encourage, come on, you can do it.
To show disbelief, come on, you're kidding, right?
Or to hurry someone, come on, we're going to be late.
Come on, Alex, let's finish strong.
I'm with you. Come on, everyone listening. This asks someone to inform you about something later.
I'm not sure if I can make it. I'll let you know tomorrow.
Or, let me know if you need anything.
It's polite and shows you're available.
Linda, let me know when you're ready for the next phrase.
I'm ready now. Let's go. Use this to ask if someone understands.
First, we go to the store, then to the bank. Does that make sense?
Or, this explanation doesn't make sense to me.
You can also say that makes sense when you understand something.
Alex, does learning phrases like this make sense?
Totally, it makes perfect sense.
This means I understand or I get it.
We need to finish by Friday. I see.
It can also mean you're acknowledging information without fully committing.
This might be challenging. I see. Well, let's try anyway. It's neutral and thoughtful.
This is a quick way to say you understand something.
Turn left at the light, then right. Got it.
Or remember to lock the door.
Got it, thanks.
It's casual and common in everyday situations. Alex, remember we have 12 more phrases to go.
Got it. Let's keep moving.
This means you're ready or everything is prepared.
Are you all set for the trip? Yes, I'm all set.
Or at a restaurant, can I get you anything else? No thanks, I'm all set.
It shows everything is complete. Linda, are you all set to continue?
All set, let's do this. This gives someone permission to do something.
Can I use your phone? Sure, go ahead.
Or may I start the presentation? Yes, go ahead.
It's polite and encouraging.
Alex, if you want to add something, go ahead.
Thanks. I just want to say we're almost done.
This is a friendly way to give permission.
Feel free to ask any questions, or feel free to help yourself to snacks.
It makes people comfortable. If you're at someone's house and they say, feel free to use the bathroom, they're being welcoming.
Listeners, feel free to practice these phrases out loud.
This means immediately or very soon.
I need this report. I'll get it to you right away.
Or your food will be ready right away.
It shows urgency and promptness.
Alex, can you think of the next phrase?
Right away. Here it comes.
This means soon or in a little while.
When are you leaving? In a bit. Or, I'll call you back in a bit.
It's vague but casual.
How much longer until we finish?
Just in a bit. 7 more phrases. This means something will definitely happen eventually.
Don't worry, he'll understand sooner or later.
Or you'll have to face this problem sooner or later.
It expresses inevitability.
Alex, sooner or later, everyone listening will master these phrases.
Absolutely. With practice, sooner or later.
Often shortened to ASAP, this means doing something very quickly.
Please send me that file ASAP. Or, we need to leave as soon as possible.
It's urgent and direct. Alex, in emails you'll often see, please reply ASAP.
It's super common in work settings.
This means at this exact moment.
What are you doing right now? I'm studying.
Or, I need help right now.
It emphasizes immediacy.
Alex, how are you feeling right now?
Right now? Great, we're almost at 50.
Short for just a second, it means wait a moment.
Can you help me? Just a sec. I'm almost done.
It's very casual and friendly. You might also hear just a minute or just a moment.
Hold on, Linda. Or should I say, just a sec?
Ha, exactly. This means right now or currently.
Is he available? No, he's busy at the moment. Or, I'm working on a project at the moment.
It's slightly more formal than right now. Alex, what are you focused on at the moment?
At the moment, getting to phrase 50.
This means to stay connected with someone.
When saying goodbye to someone you won't see often, you might say, let's keep in touch.
Or, it was nice meeting you. Keep in touch.
You might say this when a coworker leaves for a new job.
Or when a friend moves to another city. And finally, that's it means that's all or that's everything.
Is there anything else? Nope, that's it.
Or when you finish explaining, you click here, then save. That's it.
It signals completion.
And guess what, Alex?
What?
That's it. We've completed all 50 phrases.
Wow, we did it. 50 essential daily English phrases.
These phrases will help you sound natural and confident in everyday conversations.
Remember, the key is practice. Try using 1 or 2 new phrases each day.
Don't try to memorize all 50 at once. Take your time and let them become natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And if you want more practice, check out our other episodes on pronunciation, grammar, and real-life conversations.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, learning English should feel natural.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next episode.